Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Learn general knowledge 5 question answers daily for 29th September 2021. So here I am going to start today's Amazon's Amazing 5 quiz questions. Here you can see the main page of Amazon and I am clicking on for home page. Here programs and features in that fun zone for daily quiz questions. Fun zone page opened here, win prize every day and searching for today's quiz questions. Here is quiz time, answer and win, new prizes every day. Now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 a.m. I am clicking on play now button. So, daily quiz time, answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. If 5 questions correct, then only there is a chance of entering the lucky draw and there is a chance to win rupees 10,000. That is today's Amazon's pay. So, I am going to start by clicking on start button. Here is the most waiting first quiz question. In India, Akshay Urja Day is celebrated on 20th August to raise awareness about water. Repeating the question, in India, Akshay Urja Day is celebrated on 20th August to raise awareness about water. Here the options are tiger conservation, goodness of consuming vegetarian food, importance of midday meals, renewable resources of energy. Which one you are guessing? Like that, when you see all 5 questions with options, guess in your mind any one answer, and after completion of 5 questions, test yourself how many questions you guessed were right and how many were wrong. Like that, you can test your learning skills daily along with the extra information which I provide. You can rock in competitive exams. I am adding some more info about this Akshay Urja Day. Akshay Urja Divas. Day means Divas is an awareness campaign about the developments of renewable energy in India, celebrated on August 20th every year since 2004. The Indian Ministry for New and Renewable Energy Sources initiated Akshay Urja Day Mane Divas in 2004. The first function was organized at New Delhi in 2004 and 2005, followed repeated in Nagpur in 2006 and at Hyderabad in 2007 and Panchkula, Haryana in 2008. The energy such as biogas, solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectrical power are few examples of Akshay Urja. It is essential to develop way to use Akshay Urja or renewable energy more efficiently. The main motive of Akshay Urja Divas is to make people aware that they have to think about the renewable energy. That means Akshay Urja apart from traditional energy. So as per the question, the correct option is the fourth one, that is renewable resources of energy. So in India, Akshay Urja Day is celebrated on 20th August to raise awareness about renewable resources of energy. So I am clicking on fourth option, renewable resources of energy. So bang on came here. Now moving to the second question. Here, Nishad Kumar won a silver medal for India at the Tokyo Paralympics in which of these events? Here some of the events given. Repeating the question. Nishad Kumar won a silver medal for India at the Tokyo Paralympics in which of these events? Here the options are men's discus F52, men's high jump T47, men's javelin F46, men's javelin F64. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info about Summer Paralympics and Nishad Kumar. The 2020 Summer Paralympics, branded as the Tokyo 2020 Paralympic Games, was an international multi-sport parasports event held from 24th August to 5th September 2021 in Tokyo, Japan. They were the 16th Summer Paralympic Games as organized by the International Paralympic Committee (IPC). Nishad Kumar. Nishad Kumar was born on 3rd October 1999 in Amba, Himachal Pradesh. He is an Indian Paralympian and high jumper. He made his maiden Paralympic Games appearance in 2020 Tokyo representing India and went on to claim silver medal in the men's high jump T47 category with a new Asian record of 2.06 meters. So as per the question, the correct option is the second one, that is men's high jump T47. So Nishad Kumar won a silver medal for India at the Tokyo Paralympics in men's high jump T47. So I am clicking on the second option, men's high jump T47. So that's right, came here. Now moving to the third question. One of the upcoming Marvel movies to be released this year is Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Dash Rings. Those who are the fan of Marvel movies, they easily guess the option. So fill in the blanks given, repeating the question. One of the upcoming Marvel movies to be released this year is Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Dash Rings. So here the options are 9, 8, 10, 11. So what is the blank? Legend of the 9 rings or 8 rings or 10 rings or 11 rings. Which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info about the question. Shang-Chi and the Legend of the 10 Rings, that is 10 Rings, is a 2021 American superhero film based on Marvel Comics featuring the character Shang-Chi, produced by Marvel Studios and distributed by Walt Disney Studios Motion Pictures. It is the 25th film in the Marvel Cinematic Universe (MCU). The film is directed by Destin Daniel Cretton from a screenplay he wrote with Dave Callaham and Andrew Lanham. In the film, Shang-Chi is forced to confront his past when his father Wenwu Mane Leung and the leader of the Ten Rings organization draws Shang-Chi and his sister Xia Ling Mane Zhang into a search for a mythical village. Okay, as per the question, the correct option is the third one, that is 10. One of the upcoming Marvel movies to be released this year is Shang-Chi and the Legend of the 10 Rings. So the correct option is third one, that is 10. So keep it up, came here. Now moving to the fourth question. This is a famous tourist spot located in which European country? Look at the image. It is very beautiful and lovely. So this is a famous tourist spot located in which European country? So here some European countries names are here: Spain, Greece, Portugal, Hungary. So which one you are guessing? I am adding some more info. This is the pic from Greece. Greece, officially the Hellenic Republic is a country located in southeast Europe. Athens is its largest and capital city, followed by Thessaloniki. Situated on the southern tip of the Balkans, Greece is located at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and Africa. It shares land borders with Albania to the northwest, North Macedonia and Bulgaria to the north, and Turkey to the northeast. Greece is known for being the cradle of Western civilization, the birthplace of democracy, the Olympic Games, and its ancient history and magnificent temples. Most famous tourist spots including Oia village. I think this image is from Oia village located Santorini island, and remaining are Athens, Acropolis, Meteora, monasteries, Mykonos island, next Chania, that is in Crete island, next village of Nausa, that is in Paros island, next Hydra island, that is Acropolis in Lindos, Rhodes island, next Corfu town, that is Corfu island, next Delphi archaeological site, that is and another one Agios Nikolaos, and also Kokari port, Samos island, that is etc. These are the famous tourist spots located in Greece. So this is one of the beautiful tourist spot. If possible, you can definitely visit, and clicking on the second option, Greece. This is a famous tourist spot located in Greece. So that side came here. Now moving to the last image and the fifth question of today's quiz. So founder, here some picture is there. Scanning Branson style is printed on the image. So easily guess it. Recently he highlighted in news channels and magazines and news papers. So reading the question, which of these is a space exploration firm owned by this gentleman? Who is this gentleman first? And what do you know is the space exploration? So here the options are Virgin Galactic, SpaceX, Blue Origin, OneWeb. Which one you are guessing? So the correct option is Virgin Galactic. So I am clicking on the first option, Virgin Galactic. He is the founder of Virgin Galactic. So today's 5 out of 5 questions completed successfully. So you can see here, well done as appreciation, and you are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest, Amazon Pay rupees 10,000, and you can check the winners list on 1st October 2021. Keep learning, enhance your rocking enormous learning skills. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.